Bismillahi walhamdulillahi assalatu wassalamu ala rasulillah amma ba'd rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul 'uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, my dear brothers. So we are starting our next lesson in today's class. It's Surah Al Quraysh, again a very short surah of 4 ayahs. Quickly we will go through the introduction. Surah Quraysh, basically it follows the previous blessing of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, how Kaaba was protected, how Makkah as a city was protected, and how there's a divine favor from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala on the Quraysh who were living at that point in time in Makkah. And this is a reminder for Quraysh to accept Islam. And of course, we can put this into reflection for ourselves as well. So Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is talking about the abundance and the protection that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala gave to Quraysh, abundance in terms of provision, security to their caravans when they used to move in trade, and how they were secured and protected by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, so that Makkah as a city, the Quraysh people of that city, they could prosper. So this was a bounty of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is asking them to thank and call for worship to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, because once they need to realize all of this, because once we realize how much we have from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala in our lives, the blessings, the provisions, the security, we can only thank Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. We can only say Alhamdulillah, and we can only fulfill all the things that have been given to us as guidance in this Quran, so that we can be better Muslims and better practicing Muslims. Let's go through in detail. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. I seek refuge in Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala from shaitan, the outcast, the cursed one. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. In the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, the most gracious, the most merciful. Li'ilafi Quraysh, for the familiarity of the Quraysh, for the recognition, for something that the Quraysh should realize as a group of people who are residing in Makkah, what they should realize. Ilafihim rihlatash shita'i was safe. Their familiarity with the journey of winter and summer. So who protects them during both these seasons? Who protects their caravans? How are they able to navigate during the summer, in the heat of summer in the desert? How are they able to navigate in the extreme cold of winter? And who protects them? They should remember, and they should recall this. فَلْيَعْبُدُوا رَبَّ هَذَا الْبَيْتِ. So let them worship the Lord of this house which is Kaaba. They should worship the true Lord. Why are they distracted with all these idols that they have placed across the Kaaba? Of course, they were used. Those people also did not believe that they are gods. They just kept them for trade. They used to influence different caravans who were coming. So it was only the benefit of this world, which is why they had kept all those idols, just to blackmail people, and those different people who used to come. Oh, we will complain to your god this, and we'll complain to that, and just to control the economy, just to control the laws. They did not. However, in their heart, they knew that these stone gods cannot do anything. So let them worship the Lord of this house, the true Lord of this house, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. They should be worshipping Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Why have they gotten distracted and started this idol worshipping? Allazi atma'hum min ju', the one who feeds them from against hunger. So who's their Lord? Who feeds them, who provides for them. Wa amanahum min khawf, and gives them security from fear. The same thing. These are the special favors of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala on Quraysh and Makkah as a city. So they should thank and praise Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala for all his bounties, provision, security. If you look at all around us, for ourselves, we have been given a lot of provision, a lot of food, a lot of blessings from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, a lot of provision, a lot of security, a sense of security. Even, there are lots of people in this world who don't have this. Either they don't have security, or they don't have food to even feed themselves, even once a day. So we should thank Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. We should try to help others as much as possible. And this same surah applies to us as well. All of us who are living in prosperity, we have enough food, we have protection from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, we have afia from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And we have discussed this term afia in our previous classes as well. It means health, wealth, prosperity. It has a very broad meaning. It's an amazing word, and we should continue to pray to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala for afia. Allahumma inni as'aluka al-afiyata fi dunya wal akhirah. In dunya and akhirah, may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala provide us with afia. So this marks the end of this lesson.